beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is natural makeup look for beginners using only drugstore. So I've already prepped my face. We are going to go straight to doing my brow. So this is a way of enhancing your beauty. Okay, so I am using my Catrice Slimatic brow pencil in the shade Espresso. In the morning I love doing my brow because my brow shapes my face. So I comb in upward position, as you can see, and then I go on to, twist it, and then I trace the natural line of my brow. So beauties, after doing that, I'm going to use my Got2b hair gel to set my brow. These two combo keeps my brow in place all day long. If you have oily skin, try this. Your brow is going to look the way you apply it from at the beginning till the time to take off your makeup. So then after that, I'm going to clean my brow with my concealer, and then I'm using my NYS high coverage concealer. I'm sorry beauties, I don't think they still have this concealer again, but this is what I'm using. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit, take off the excess, and then trace gently like so, and then I clean downwards. I don't clean the upper part of my brow, unless if it is a full face, but for normal or the natural makeup, I just leave it the way it is. So beauties, as you can see, brows are done. So I have oily skin. If you have oily skin, try to use a mattifying primer. Mattifying primer will help your makeup to last longer. When you have oily skin, you start producing oil shine, and if you don't take care of it, it will mess up your makeup. So I am using my Catrice Keep Me Matte primer. So I'm going to apply it all over my face, and then I will blend. You can blend with brush or with your hand. So if you have dry skin and you are watching this, all the mattifying product that I'm using, you can use a moisturizing product, like a moisturizing primer and stuff like that, okay? So, but for oily skin, go for something that is mattifying or maybe semi-mattifying. Then beauties, after that, I'm going to use my foundation, and foundation that I'm using today is Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I have it in the shade Cocoa. Cocoa is a bit darker than my skin tone. Unfortunately, I don't have my real color here in our drugstore, but I'm going to make this to work. So we are going to, can you see? It is a little bit darker, but then I'm going to use my concealer to make it work a bit. So while blending my foundation, I love going, stippling it like this on my skin. I hate dragging because it will give you that uneven blend. Can you see? Yeah. So if you feel like taking, you can still go and take more. So I'm going to take another one pump. Ooh, the whole foundation is all over my mirror. So you keep blending. I am using this flat blending brush from BH Cosmetics. Then you bring it down here to avoid any harsh line. So beauties, after blending my foundation, I'm going to use my LA Gear Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze to highlight under my eyes. I hope I still have something here, okay. Under my eyes, my forehead, bridge of my nose. You know, typically areas light will hit your face. So here, around my mouth area. Then I will go on to blend. So I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend. Sorry, I did the makeup yesterday, so that is why my beauty blender is like this. If you want to have that clean blending, use a clean beauty blender. Don't be like me now, okay? So, do you see how this concealer blended? So, I'm also going to blend my forehead, bridge of my nose. So beauties, after blending my concealer, I'm going to set with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I've been using this powder for a very long time. So I'm going to set on all the areas that I applied my highlight, my concealer. Then my forehead. My chin. My cupid bow. So I love using the brush to press it in. So beauties, after that, as you can see, my face is looking one color. I want to add a bronzer, and I'm using Revolution bronzer in the shade dark. It's like this. So I'm going to add it on my, typically where I would like to contour, like here. You know, to warm up the face. Then here too. Since we are not using contour today, so we're gonna bronze. And then here too. Can you see the definition it's giving me? Yeah. Then after that, I'm going to look for a smaller brush to contour my nose. Not really, I'm using a bronzer, okay, just to shape my nose. So I love bringing it from brow down to the bridge of my nose. Can you see? It just shapes my my nose. And one good thing I love about using this contour is it's not going to give you that harsh, you know, contour effect. It's going to look moderate. And then I'm going to take the same bronzer, just run it on my eyes, just to have color on that eyes. It's like contouring your eyes, but then I just want to do it because my eyes doesn't have anything there. We are not using eyeshadow today. So you see, you can use one product on your face for so many reasons. Can you see? So you just add some depth on my eyes, so I concentrate more on the outer V and then blend it inwards. So beauties, after the eye contour, I applied my mascara. I didn't show it here, you know, because I know that everybody knows how to apply mascara. So the next is I'm going to use this my Davis brow pencil. If you live in Africa, especially in Nigeria, you will know that this is a popular pencil makeup artists use on their brow or on their lips. So I have it in the shade 3, even though that the pencil is about to say bye-bye to me. So I'm going to use it to line my lips. Just a light lining, not too heavy. So like this, and then the next thing that I will do is I'm going to use my NYX Butter Gloss lip gloss in the shade Butterscotch. Yeah, just apply it on the center of my lips and then blend it into the lip pencil. Yeah. Want to set my face, so I am using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop mattifying powder. Okay, I am setting lightly because the foundation that I use is a full coverage foundation, so that we don't look cakey. What I am doing so is just to bring everything together. So at this moment, if I have drugstore setting spray, I would have used it, but then I don't have any drugstore setting spray, so I'm not going to set my face now. I'm going to do it after I have done the makeup because I'm going somewhere. But then just to show you that we don't have to have everything. Yeah. So beauties, that is it for today's video. Natural makeup tutorial using only drugstore for beginners. Can you see? I don't even know how many products we use here. We just use a few products to achieve this look. So sometimes it doesn't have to be a high brand product for you to achieve a simple makeup look. I applied mascara on my eyes. I hate applying mascara under my lash line because it makes me look weird, but today I said let me try it. Anyways, that is it. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, share and subscribe please. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I am begging you. And if you're watching my video, please, since you have clicked to watch, can you just make it to the end of this video? Okay, it is not good going half of the way. Okay, it doesn't make YouTube to recommend my video to other people. Please, when you click to watch, for God's sake, watch and watch till the end. Okay, and if you are so kind, you can watch my ads, the adverts that plays before, in between and after my video. It is a way we are getting our coins. Okay, thank you all so much for watching. Catch you all in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed out there. Bye.